Good morning everyone. Today is a special day for Artemis display and we are going to have a pitch deck today for investors and manufacturers. Now I am in the HKDDC in Wan Chai in Hong Kong, and I am so excited because this is my first experience in front of real investors and venture capitalists in order to sell our ideas and make them attraction to invest to our company. Please pray for me. I am so excited, and we are one of the finalists today, and 3 weeks later they are going to announce the result, and I hope we can get some funds and we can increase our business and enjoy the benefits with our lovers and partners. See you around. Hello everyone, this is my second video. I am so excited and so a little bit nervous because this is our presentation day for investors and manufacturers or venture capitalists regarding Artemis display projects for future. We are really excited. So this organization of IPHatch. IPHatch is a global organization, it's Singapore-based corporation. They are selected us as a finalist, one of the finalists. There are many others, of course, so I hope we can get some benefits from this presentation today. So I will be posted to you. Please stay in touch and pray for me. See you around. Good morning everyone. Now we are waiting our turn about pitch deck in IPHatch Asia 2025 in Wan Chai, Hong Kong Trade Center. I'm together with our CIT officer, Mr. Mert Akbaş, and myself, Maurice. I'm the founder of the company of Artemis Display. So today we are going to present our project view to the investors. As I explained before, it's about smart barber shops and salons for beauty centers. We are trying to combine our display products with AI-driven technologies and softwares with for the end users and the shop owners. Of course, the purpose is to increase the user experience and profit of the shop. So I hope we can get some, let's say, investment to our company and grow our business. See you around. Bye. To show you our idea about smart barber AI solutions for barbershops or beauty salons. What is the problem as of today for the barbershops or beauty salons? One of them is customer experience. For example, waiting time is so long, customer can be boring, or there can be some unexpected other visitors in the shop, something like that. And there are a lot of limitations in terms of customer experience before going to the barbershop or beauty salon. And at the same time, barbershops or beauty salons has revenue problems, especially after the COVID. You know, personal care is increased, so the income of the barbershops are less than before. So if you are a shop owner or a beauty salon owner, it's a problem. So which we can say traditional pricing models are not valid anymore, it's outdated. And the other problem is service optimization. Modernization is definitely needed for the barbershops and the beauty salons. So our solution is based on standard mirror display in the shop. We want to make it to smart one with the integration of smart technology, of course with AI powered software, and with also integrated with augmented reality systems for visual effects or personal experience or customer experience and so on. So interactive display is necessary for the new generation barbershops or beauty salons. this will help us or the shop owners to increase the benefits and increase the user experience in the shop. So, what are the key features of our solutions? Of course, number one, which is so popular and very attractive for everyone in the high technology providers, is AI. Because AI is helping us to make automation much better, perfect shops or beauty salons with the real-time interaction. And it is also an integrated system, and we can also build some digital consultancy forms like AI chatbots into the displays, and we can also put some tools, user interface tools for client tracking, so on. So it is more than the standard version of the existing traditional one. So market is growing so fast. We make the analysis of the smart mirror displays in the internet, of course. As of today, global worldwide market is $1.8 billion by 2024, and we are expecting to get to $6 billion in the worldwide within 10 years. Of course, commercial sector we are targeting is hair salon. It's just around $8.5 billion by 2030. And the market is growing with the AR and AV technology is getting maturated with augmented reality and high resolution display and so on. And hardware is so cheap now. So what we are targeting as a market, as an Artemis display, is just we shrink the market into the Hong Kong first. We will start with Hong Kong. So total market is 38.4 billion in the whole salons, of course. But global smart displays, as of today, if we target 25% of the market share, $250 million. But we are, as a small startup company, as Artemis Display, we just want to target, let's say, 30% of Asia Pacific smart mirror displays within 3 to 5 years. So it is about $3 million. Of course, we have competitors in this business. As you can see the names on the screen, like PixSmart, Miroid, Smart, Barracuda. We already analyze what are their existing system, what they can serve, what they can't. But we will try to make it better application, especially by using the AI technologies, because AI can help us to try real-time virtual styling and enhance the user interface and shop management. What are the competitive edge? Of course, when we use the AI, customer will happy, customer satisfaction will be maximized, and of course, conversion rates, satisfaction rates will be increased a lot. Of course, we will also try to use IP strategies from the IPHatch hub, if possible, of course. We decided to go ahead with Superior Intelligent Device Hub because we want to make we want to create the intelligent system for the barber shops by using the display technologies. And by adding this system, IP system, of course, we are adding some more technical technologies such as FPGA for the security of hardware lock, and we would like to also combine with IoT technologies, because in the barber shops there are many other devices as well, not only display, such as haircuts and heating, so on. And I would like to say one more thing about the Edge AI. Edge AI is also very important because it can work in the low power mode, and even it can work offline. So imagine that when the barber shop get an Artemis display and use in the automation, even it is not connected to internet. If we build a AGI into the hardware, it can work even offline. So we want to talk about market strategy quickly. Of course, we will start with Hong Kong market first, and then Asia Pacific, and then Middle East and Europe in the next step. But we want to shrink and downsize the market first, starting with Hong Kong. And business model is very easy: hardware sales, software licensing, maintenance services, because we don't want to sell the product itself to the shops or the beauty salon. We want to make the money by maintenance services. It will bring us a revenue flow, a recurring fee or licensing fee. So we don't, of course, shop owners, they don't want to pay a lot of cost to the hardware as well. So financial projections, within 3 to 5 years, we are expecting to get $3 million US, and we want to target 30% of the Hong Kong market for smart mirror displays, which is quite, I think, realistic within 3 to 5 years, and I hope we can achieve it. And we have a special team. My friend, Mr. Mert Akbaş, is a professional software code developer, front-end and back-end. I am dealing many years, maybe 25 to 30 years in the display solutions. And we have one more colleague in Turkey in terms of FPGA design and special hardware design, and also some shop owners. And there are a lot of investment opportunities if you can invest us for this project. So within 3 to 5 years, midterm plans will be completed, and within 5 years, all targets will be achieved after 5 years. Okay, this is the next step. We need immediate development, short-term expansion, and long-term global impact for the long-term roadmap. So if you would like to join us, please welcome.
Barber service sector. But at the same time, to be honest, my first impression is that the smart mirror business is quite challenging, because as you indicated in your slide, business model, because we need hardware sales as well as software integration. Also, we need hardware maintenance. Also, because the mirror could be most important tool for barber, so we need to persuade them to apply this kind of new products. So yeah, that's why I think challenging. So I would like to know what advantage do you have in order to enter into this business?
First of all, thank you very much for your question. For maintenance issue, we have two advantages. One is local companies. We have local company in Hong Kong and Shenzhen also, which we can do deep level sourcing, including all kinds of hardware and spare parts and maintenance in order to solve maintenance problems. We can get easily the parts from China very fast. So local companies is the first toolkit which we can make a better maintenance services for the local shop owners or beauty shop owners. And the second thing is, if we have a local company in the targeted market, we can keep some spare parts for strategic products, which is very important for the shop owners or the investors. because if the display is broken or if the software is not working very well, you need to solve the problem very quickly. This is the key point of the maintenance. So by using our local companies and local team members, we can immediately go to customer, check what's going on. And the second thing is we will add also sensors to the hardware. Imagine that we cannot go to the customer and we don't know what is there, what is the problem. But by using the sensors, we can get a lot of data from the end device, and we can analyze it by using AI agents, and we can define what is the problem is. And if you know what's the problem is, it's easy to create a solution.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. It's good to have a local company or local staff, which make the maintenance easier. So how about R&D capability, which you have?
Can you repeat again? Or what?
Yeah, R&D.
R&D, yeah, okay.
So I guess you have to develop smart mirror devices.
Yeah, this is the one of the advantage part, which we are proud of it. One of our founders in Turkey now. He used to have experience before in order to design FPGA-based special ICs and in order to connect the devices with IoT. Because we have, in addition to AI, we will build two more technology into the system. One is FPGA-based hardware, so nobody can copy us. The second one is we need to connect the other devices by using IoT technologies. So our team, Mr. Arman, he's based in Turkey, and one of my former colleagues, he used to work in Silicon Valley before. He has a lot of experience to design special hardware as well. And Mr. Mert Akbaş is also quite excellent person for the software development. So this is our R&D. I am also an engineer. I am electronic engineer. My base is electronic engineer, but mostly I have experience with display technologies such as TV, monitor, LED wall, LCD wall, so on. So we know how to build up a low-cost hardware. We know how to protect our hardware and software from the trademark issues. And now we are also cooperating and learning AI technologies such as vibe coding and so on. It is not so difficult for us to develop chatbots, and other integration with our other AI agents to communicate the devices by creating an intelligent shop.
Okay. It's good to know you have several engineers.
Yeah.
So I want to clarify what your final product look like, because in your slide, in the first page, you show just a smart mirror, but in another page, you also show tablet type device.
Yeah.
So what kind of product you intend to provide?
Okay, thank you. Imagine that there will be one major display like this in the shop. It's mostly for the control panel, but it will be a movable display. You know, there are a lot of movable battery built-in products with touch screen. So barber will use it to turning around to end user, and in addition to smart mirror display. So at the end, at least there will be three products. One is smart mirror display in the front of the end user, and the back side there will be movable display. just 27-inch or 32-inch touchscreen tablets, but it will be built-in battery inside, so you can easily turning around to end user. And one more, of course, we will give one tablet to the shop owners or to the customers which they are waiting in the queue. So with these kind of 3 devices, we can manage the system. Of course, if the customer wants some special security instead of cloud management, we can also put one more local server in their shops, because some customer may need to keep privacy about their subscribers or clients. So there will be also a data center as well for the unique shops or chain barber shops, because we are also planning to sell this system to the chain barbers. You know, nowadays it's very popular, very small shops in the metro stations or big cities, which they can give very low cost haircut to the end customers. So we are targeting this segment also as well. So basically there will be 3 devices: back end, main display, front end, smart mirror, and one more tablet. That's it.
Okay. That gave me a clear image. So my last question is, how do you find early adopter? So yeah, to finding early adopter is very important, I think, for your business growth.
You mean the power adapter for the battery?
Yeah, first customer, I mean.
How we can find the first customer, you mean? Your question is?
Yeah.
We want to start with locally first, because we are based in Hong Kong. I am living in Hong Kong permanently, more than 10 years, and in China. We have a lot of business connections here. We will start with locally first. That's why we just started to Hong Kong. Of course, we need to go to shop owners and talk and present ourselves first. Of course, we will also add some social media influencers as well in order to make some marketing. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
We can take one last question. Any judges would like to take that? Okay, no more questions from the judges. Eris, I give you 1 minute to wrap up before you go.
Okay, thank you very much for everyone to give us this chance to present ourselves. I have been dealing in display technology more than 25 years, starting from the CRT televisions. So it will be a nice journey for us to improve our business and to create a value for the end users and shop owners by using the latest technologies such as AI, IoT, and so on. I hope you can join us, you can believe us, and you can invest us. So we would like to make it happen, our dreams, and create some value to the market. Thank you.
Thank you, Baris, for the presentation and time today. Thank you.